time, Tasty Science, instead of Mommy being here, Jayden's here!
Hello! So Melanie, what are we making today?
We're making candy powder!
Ooh, I'm gonna like that.
Jayden, can you read the ingredients for me out loud?
Sure. First you need the flavorings and then you need the vial test tube. Make sure to wash the dry cap and the vial so it doesn't stay dirty. We already did that, as you can see. And then small measuring scoop and the large measuring scoop. And we need sugar and a small bowl, which we already have, as you can see.
Let's get started!
Okay, first let's put a large scoop of sugar into our bowl. You go first.
Next, let's put in the flavoring.
Okay, Melanie, which one do you want? There's grape, watermelon, and raspberry.
I will have watermelon.
Okay, I'll have raspberry.
Who's gonna have the grape?
Oh, well, we can do that for another time. Let's just not use it.
Now let's open it.
Now let's put the mini scoop in. That seems about enough. Your turn.
Now let's taste it and see if we need more powder.
Yeah, I think mine needs some more powder.
Nice too.
Now that we added 2 more scoops, let's taste it. Mmm, delicious.
It tastes good. To keep these fresh, let's put it in the test tubes. And now we have it in the test tube. Now we got time to go.
Wait, Melanie, what about the outro?
Oh yeah, I forgot. Wasn't this fun, Jay?
It was.
So, thank you for watching.
Hope you have fun.
Make sure you like and subscribe.
Bye-bye.